Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because you read from my title. I got my Jeffree Star mystery box. Now, this wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow on Saturday. So when it came today, I was like, thank you, Mr. Mailman. And I have a few other boxes that came today. So expect in the next few days to see a lot of videos from me. But before I begin, I do have some giveaways that are still open. I will leave it right here. And I will also leave the link down in the description box to the giveaway. So make sure you check them out. All right. So, if you don't know, I gotta stop saying so. I say that a lot. If you didn't know, Jeffree Star had mystery boxes, and he had 3 different ones. You could have got the regular one that was $20, and you got $3. No, you got 3 items in it. You could have got the premium box, which I got, that you got 5 products, or you could have got the deluxe, which was $70 and you got 10 things. So I got on there about 12 or 15 minutes after 1 o'clock. It usually comes out 1 o'clock Eastern time, and it was already sold out, the premium one. So I was able to snatch up the deluxe one. So again, this was $45 and you get 5 things in there. So without further ado, let's see what's inside this mystery box. All right. I am so excited. All right, let me open it up. I did cut the tape because he really tapes this up pretty good. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, so you do get a little card here, like a jawbreaker. That's what I have on my eyes today. I have the mini jawbreaker palette on today. If you don't know, it comes with a mirror, and that's what it looks like. And I really like this palette. All right. So, the first thing that I believe everybody got in their box is this pop socket. Now, I don't use pop sockets. Like on my phone, I have this little ring thingy that I use. But I'll definitely give this to somebody who needs it because you can always use a pop socket. All right, so that would be the first thing. The only thing is I know these are $15 on his website, but I wish it would be something like an extra, not count as an item, but it is worth $15 and it does come in the box. All right, and so I got a liquid frost, which I've been wanting to try these. This is in the shade Ice Queen. So I don't remember what shade that is, so let's see. It's like that. All right, let's see if I can get this puppy open. All right. Okay, so it's like a pinkish color. Okay, all right. So let's see how it is. All right, I'm going to open it up. It has a little dropper. So let's put a little bit. Oh, I put a lot on right there. Ooh, she's pink. I put a lot on that's really, really pretty. Do I have anything to wipe it off? I'll use this washcloth. Let me kind of blend it in because that was a little too much. All right, so I don't know if you can tell. That is really, really pretty. I keep getting asked about this. This is a cat scratch, but I am diabetic, so it just takes so long to finally heal. You can see, because when you are diabetic, that's why you get infections a lot, because you don't scab up to a while, and you can see this is kind of getting infected a little bit because it took so long to scab up. But I don't even know why I'm telling you that. This is not about diabetes. But anyway, it's really, really pretty, if you guys can see. I love that. In the light, you do see it is very glittery. You will definitely see some glitter. I don't know if you can see on my finger, the glitter. But that is gorgeous. That's really, really nice. But if you don't like to have glitter, you may not like these, but I think it's beautiful. All right. The next thing I got is Can't Relate, a liquid lipstick. And I know these are, $18? I'm not sure how much this is. I'll leave it on the screen. So I think this is like a nudie color or something. Ooh, that's, well, first of all, let's look at this packaging. That packaging, I mean, the camera's not doing justice. It is gorgeous. All right, I am so glad it's not like one of those shades, like green or blue. So let me swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Let me do a better swatch. And it doesn't have any scent to it, not a cakey scent or anything, and I actually don't mind that. That is gorgeous. That would work perfect with this eye look today. All right. I am definitely excited to get this. I really think Jeffree Star has like one of the best lipstick formulas. I really, really do. I love that shade. All right, and so then we got question mark. So if you don't know, in the premium box and the deluxe box, you're supposed to get this lipstick and the shade name is question mark, and it's only supposed to be exclusively to these mystery boxes that he'll never sell it on his site. So that is one reason why I wanted to get it. And oh, the packaging's pretty, and that's a very, very wearable color. That's pretty. That's like alien. That's like neon green. It's really, really pretty. All right, let's do a swatch. Again, not really no scent. Swatch it right next to this. This is like a pinkish color. It's a little watery. Let me try shaking it up because it was about 85 degrees in New Jersey today. It's really pretty. All right, let's do another little swatch. Okay. Yeah, you just have to make sure you shake it up. That is so, oh, look, it's actually separating though in my wrinkles. That's not a good sign. You can see that. I just literally swatched it and look at how it separates. I don't know how I feel about that, but I haven't tried it on, so let's just continue. All right, and last but not least, we have a lip ammunition, I think it's called, and this is in the shade Jeffree's Girl. Now I do know with this shade, this was like one of the shades when he first started his company. I want to say he started with 3 lipstick shades, I think, and I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. And I want to say this is what, yeah, because the packaging is old. I'm not saying this is old. It's just the shade that he did was a long time ago. He could have manufactured this, you know, a couple weeks ago. All right, let's see what color. All right, so this is like a pinkish color. It's very pretty, but wait a second here. This is bumpy. Like, this is like the Jaclyn Hill 2.0. I can't make this up. I wonder if you guys can say, if I can, like, I don't think it's going, you're gonna see. Can you guys see that bumps? If I can, I'm gonna insert a picture right here. That is so bumpy. I mean, even on the sides and everything. It's a little sweaty, but that could just be from because it was hot, but I don't like those bumps. I'm gonna try to take a video so that maybe you can see it a little bit better, and I'll try to insert it right now. But yeah, that is horrible. I'm gonna swatch it because it doesn't look old. I mean, it's not like 2 different colors where it's turning white or lighter pink. It doesn't have any like hairs on it or anything like that. It just looks like it has a lot of bumps, and I don't know why. I'll do a swatch. Let's see when I swatch it how it is. All right, so there's the color when I swatch. It's a pretty color. But now that I swatch it, let's see. It has them lines. Like, remember how the Jaclyn Hill had those lines? You guys can see. Not sure what you guys can say. But again, doesn't smell old. Like, usually it's like a Play-Doh smell. But I don't know. I just don't know what those bumps are. It's very pretty. This isn't a shade I would typically wear on its own. I would probably, you know, mix it up with a few colors. But I do have some of his bullet lipsticks, and I do like the formula. It's really pretty. They're not drying. I'm just worried about those bumps. Let me know down below if you received these mystery boxes, and did you get Jeffree's Girl? And if so, or any of the bullet lipsticks, do you notice anything wrong with them? Were they bumpy like this? I'm not sure what to think. So I don't even really want to put this on my lips until I do some investigation, like there are bumps everywhere, even on the sides and everything. I don't think my camera's gonna pick it up. I think what happens, because with the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, we're all paranoid, you know? Like, I would not typically get a lipstick that I bought before and looked it up and down and thought, what's wrong with it? But now, because what we are learning, it's like you look, and then when I see this, and I've never had a problem with Jeffree's formula. That's why it caught me off guard. But like I said, it's not contaminated or nothing like that. There's no mold spots, no hair or anything. It's just bumpy all over. I've never seen a bullet lipstick like that. I don't know. Comment down below, what do you think? Let me know. And did you get the mystery boxes? If you did you like them? I am so excited that everything is so wearable. Okay, so they're still a little damp, and but I love the formula. If you have not checked out his liquid lipsticks, I definitely recommend. If I say anything on his site, what I recommend is the lipsticks. I mean, I don't know about this one, but I've never had a problem in the past. So everything's wearable. Everything was more like on the pinky shade, you know. But I love it. I'm so glad that he listened to his customers about having certain shades that a lot of people don't wear. And his lipsticks are definitely eye safe, and you can use them as an eyeliner. So if you get a blue or a green or anything, but you know, let's recap what we got. So we got this pop socket. We got a lipstick in the question mark, which is really, really pretty. That's this one here. I don't like, you guys can see how it went into my lines. I don't like that, but I haven't tried it on. I got this Jeffree's Girl. I got Can't Relate. That is this color here. That is really, really pretty. And I got the Liquid Frost. I mean, I'm not complaining. I think they're nice. You definitely get your value. I know he said he's going to have about 2 more for the end of before the end of the year. So typically it'll probably be around Christmas or Black Friday, something like that. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got mystery boxes. What did you think? Do you think that these are more wearable colors now with a lot of the mystery boxes? Let me know. All right, that's everything, guys. Do not forget about those 2 giveaways that are still active. One ends on the 30th and one ends on the 31st of this month. So make sure that you are subscribed, because it's given back to you guys. Also, make sure you like this video if you like this video. If you don't, dislike it, but rate the video because it does help me out. And make sure you have that post notification bell on so you will be notified for every video that I have out and my future giveaways as well. I love you guys so, so much. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys. I've said that how many times now? I will see you in my next video. Bye.